Hey everyone, today we are working on a super fun Python problem, an emoji converter. Let's say I input I love pizza, and this is how I want my output to look like. Not all the words, but specific words converted to emojis. So let's see how this can be done in Python. So I would like to use functions for it, but let's first work out the logic and then we can put it all in a function. So first thing that I'll need is a dictionary to map words to emojis. I already have a dictionary here, but if you want to add more words here, you can go to this website, Emojipedia, and you can search for the emojis. And then you can just copy Control C and just paste it here, Control V. That works. It's as simple as that. So of course, you can expand this dictionary if you want. Now, next up, what I want to do is I want to take a message, so whatever the message is, and I want to split it into individual words so that I can process those words later on. So let's say my message is I love pizza. Now, how can we split this message into individual words? So there is a function called as split, but before splitting it, let's first convert everything to lowercase. I wanted to consider all the words, even if they are like uppercase, lowercase, no differentiation there. And let's go ahead and split this. And do you remember what this gives in the output? It gives list of words, it gives list data type in the output. So let's save it in a variable. Let's call it words. And now if I go ahead and print this words for you, this is what we have. Awesome. Now what do you want to do? We want to basically go over each item or each word and see if it is present in the dictionary or not. If it is present, then we want to basically convert that word to a emoji, use the emoji instead. But if it is not present, we want to keep the word as it is. So we can use for loop here. We can say for word in words. And then I can use the get function. What this function does is basically returns a value for key if key is in the dictionary, else it returns the default value. So we can say that look for this word in the dictionary. If that word is there, great, return the value, the emojis that is. If it is not there, return the word itself. Let's go ahead and print it once, just to check whether what we are doing is correct or not so far. So yeah, it is returning all these words plus emojis. Now, what I want to do here is I don't want these individual, but I want it in a string format. So I can first create an empty string. Let's call it output. And then I can concatenate each word in this output. So for that, I'll say output is equal to output plus this right here. And once we are out of our for loop, I can go ahead and print the output. So this worked. I would rather want some space also between these. So I can easily add that. So now this looks good. And maybe I can use this strip to remove the trailing spaces. And this is perfect. And this is the output I was looking for actually. So let's put all of this in a function. So let's create a function here. Let's call it emoji converter. It will take message as an input. The code has to be properly indented like this. You can leave this outside. That's also fine. Or you can just get it inside the function itself, make it a part of function. This dictionary. I'll get rid of this as well, the message from here. Instead of printing the output here, let's just return the value. We'll use return statement. And that's it. Let's test our function. So emoji converter, and I'll pass an input. Let's call it I love Python. And this is what I'm getting, the string in the output. If you don't want this to be printed out, you can remove this as well. Now this is perfect. I am happy. Let's try one more. So here it is, everyone, your emoji converter. Play around with it, add more emojis. Let me know if you enjoyed this problem. I'll see you in the next one. Thank you for watching.